Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python for the Beginner series. So today in this video we are going to learn about the dictionary in Python. The dictionary is also one of the collection data type like the sets, tuples and list in the Python. The dictionary holds the data in the key value pair. So let me show you by defining a dictionary what's the key value pair means. You can define a dictionary by simply specifying the name of the dictionary. Let me say it's D and it will be equals to inside the curly braces you specify first the keys. So the key, let me say its name and let me say it's John here. So the name here represents the key and the John here represents the value. You can specify the multiple key value pair inside the dictionary by specifying the comma here and writing another key value pair. Let me say another key is and the value let me say is 25. So here the age is another key and the 25 is another value. Now you can simply print the keys and the values of the dictionary by simply giving the name of the dictionary dot keys method. So dot keys method return all the keys that the dictionary have, and you can see the keys here are name and the age. You can also print the values by simply specifying dot values method and run this. As you can see the values are John and 25. Now let us build a phone book here. Okay, now let me say you want to build a contact book by using a dictionary. So you can simply do it by specifying a name. Let me say contacts, and inside you should give the name of the person in keys and their corresponding phone numbers in the values. Let me say the first key is John, and you can simply give the phone number of the zone here. Let me say it's 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me say another one is Paul, and let me give another random phone number here. Okay, another one is Sun, let me say, and let me give 0. Okay, so here this represents the contact book. Okay, now let me say if you want to retrieve the phone number of Son, so you can simply do it by print, write the name of the dictionary, and inside this big bracket simply give the key. So the key here is Son, right? You want the phone number of Son, so the Son is simply the key here, so give the key name inside this dictionary's name. Okay, so if I run this, you can get the number of the Son here. You can also use the list inside this dictionary. What if this Son have more than one phone number? So you can simply store his phone number in the list as he have more than one number. Let me say this. Okay, so let me say these two are the phone number of the Son. So now let me first clear out this terminal, and if I run this file, you can see you get the port number of the Son. So what if you want to get the only the first number of the Son? So you can do it by using the indexing here. So this is in the index of 0, so simply specify index 0 here. Now if I run this, you can see you will get the first number of the Son. Now what if you want to add another contact number inside your contact dictionary? Okay, so you can do it by simply writing the contacts, that is dictionary name, and inside give the new key. Let me say Harry, that will be is equals to write the value here. So let me say the value is this. Okay, so what does this does is it simply will add another value to this dictionary. Now let me check this if it is added inside the contacts dictionary or not. And if I run this, you can see here the Harry has been added to the dictionary. You can also add the another items inside the dictionary by using the update method. Okay, so you simply have to do is write the dictionary name, use dot update method, and inside this give the curly braces and simply specify the key value. Let me say Ram is the key and another value is, let me say let me give the random number here. Okay, so if I check it by printing the contacts again, so let me clear out this terminal first so that it will be easy for you. Now if I run this, as you can see, Ram is also added here, right? Okay, this dot update method not only is used to add another item inside a dictionary, it also can be used to update the value. Okay, so if I want to change the phone number of the Paul, you can simply specify the key as Paul and give the new number here. Let me say 5. Okay, now if I run this, you can see the phone number of the Paul has been changed to 555. Okay, now these are the methods that can be used to add or update the values inside the dictionary. Now what if you want to remove the values from the dictionary? You can simply do it by using dot pop method or dot pop item method. So let me say if you want to remove the specific item from the dictionary, so for that you should use the dot pop method. So dot pop, and inside the pop you simply specify the key of which you want to remove the item. Okay, so let me say John. Now let me print the contacts here and clear out this terminal of this file. So as you can see, the John has been removed from the dictionary. You can also use dot pop item method. So what does the pop item method does is it simply removes the last element from the dictionary, and for that you should have to specify the argument here, give the argument or the key inside that. So if I run this, as you can see, the last element, that is son, has been removed from the dictionary. Let's move to the another method. So what if you want to clear out all of the items inside the dictionary? So you can simply do it by using the clear method. So the clear method will remove all the items inside the dictionary here. Now let me run this. As you can see, it has removed all the items from the dictionary here, right? So let me clear out this terminal. Now you can also use the in operator to check if certain keys are present or if certain values are present inside the dictionary. So let me say if I want to check if I have the phone number of John in my contact book or not. So you can simply do it by writing print and inside that specify the key, that is John in contacts dot keys, right? So the contact dot keys will return the list of the keys here, and this in operator will check if John is inside that list or not. Okay, so this should simply return the true here. Now if I show this by running this, you can see it is returning true here, that is John is present inside the keys. Okay, you can also check if the values is present inside that dictionary or not. Okay, let me say the value 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? And you should check in the contact the values method, right? So if I run, you can see it is giving false because 1 2 3 4 5 is not present inside any of the values in this dictionary, right? So that's it for the dictionary. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.